Okay, so today we're gonna be checking what's new here at SeaWorld San Diego since my visit from 2016. This is Sesame Place. We're not doing it today though. But welcome SeaWorld San Diego. This is my second attempt. This is my redemption to come back here since 2016. So I will insert a clip right now. Throwback to 2016. Hello everyone, I'm here at SeaWorld San Diego. Finally made it in the park. And I'm very sorry that I wasn't able to record in Mont Park. So I'm here at SeaWorld, as you can see. Well, you got little stingrays and fishes, and it's a little touch. There's a fish right there. Oh, lovely. I think one of the newest things here at SeaWorld San Diego, the last time I visited, is that seems like they repainted some of the buildings. Like this ice cream parlor and the restrooms. They gave it a new paint job. Last time I think it was just only white and one color. Now they painted it brand new and nice. Right behind the stands, this is something new. They have like this orca land expansion area next to Electric Eel. This hasn't been here. This opened up in 2017, I suppose. Behind the stands, I'll give you guys a closer look if I could. Right there is the orca land. Correct me if I'm wrong with the name. Sorry if I don't know the name, but let me know in the comments. Due to copyright music, I had to mute the audio. Anyway, we're going to be checking out the SeaWorld Rescue Junior. This is a play structure that was probably here since 2017, since I wasn't at the park that time. This was fairly new to me. From what I could see, it seems like this is like a ropes course with like a ship themed like obstacle, and then there's like ropes course and stuff, and there's also a splash pad in there. So this is just a play structure for little kids, and this used to be where the Ocean Explorers land used to be, but that is completely gone, so they replaced it with a new play structure called SeaWorld Rescue Junior. So we're gonna check out the gift shop here. It's the SeaWorld Rescue Junior, and what stuff they have here. So they have a SeaWorld Rescue water bottles. These are drink bottles. They even have some cards, games, more games. They have an orca bubble blaster. They have a toy boat here with a dolphin. They got some plushies, penguins, walruses, belugas, flamingos, dolphins, and mini teddy bears. They even have Barbie doll, the movie that just came out. I think that was last month. We've also got some more toys, jet ski, and a truck. Sorry if I'm moving the camera too fast. We even have a SeaWorld Rescue t-shirt right here. Jackets, sweaters, some t-shirts, some binoculars, some other toys here. So something a little different is that they strung lights on the Sky Tower. This wasn't here in 2016 when I first visited, but it just looks so strange and weird that they strung some lights on the tower. But it looks cool though. I mean, at night it absolutely looks cool. I could admit that. There's a new event happening today at SeaWorld San Diego. It's the SeaWorld Summer Spectacular, which they'll do fireworks and lights later on this evening. So just to point out a new event for SeaWorld San Diego. Up next is Manta, a Mack Rides multi-launch coaster. This is a family launch coaster with 2 launches, and actually it is pretty fun. So we're gonna go ahead and hop on this coaster. And just to point out, you can really tell that there's a lot of copyright music playing in this video. It's just so annoying. So I just got off the Manta and it was a fun ride. So technically, I will most likely share this review, my honest review on this coaster, coming very soon. I enjoyed the ride, to be honest. It was fun. I loved it. We got a stingray habitat here. Here's our manta rays, located just next to the ride Manta. And yeah, but I don't think we're supposed to touch them. But they're swimming around the pond here. And look at that one, trying to get out of the water. So there's one over here, there's a big one over here. There's I don't know if that's an eel or a fish, but there's a big fish right there. There are dolphins here too, very cute. This is just trying to hold on to the ball. There's another one over there. There's one over here. Very nice. There's a little ship here that's been here, no change. But as you can tell in front of us, it looks like they painted their stadium purple. That is something new. Last time I was here, it was just white. So this is their Rapids ride, Shipwreck Rapids. And so we're just gonna explore for now. Let's see what we can go on. So yeah, here's part of Shipwreck Rapids. And we got some bad news actually. Looks like this ride isn't open today. They said because it's a maintenance nightmare, and this tidal twister over here is apparently, unfortunately, closed. It's temporarily closed and are not able to ride this roller coaster. But this was new in 2019, so this ride was not there at the time when we went to SeaWorld back in 2016. But I love how they painted the stadium purple. So it's really nice. A little closer look on Tidal Twister. So this is the ride. It is apparently shut down temporarily, unless it's not removed yet. But I do love the colors on this roller coaster. It's purple and pink, but sadly it's closed during our visit. So this is a Skyline Attractions Horizon model, and it's closed. So you can see that the restraints are like Harley Quinn at Discovery Kingdom. So they have the same trains. It's just a different setup. So it's closed right now, but you can see the trains are still on the track. You can see that inversion over there, that barrel roll inversion, and that looks pretty big. Actually, you get airtime on that thing, but sadly it's closed. So yeah, Tidal Twister, Skyline Attractions. I don't know what you did, but it seems like your ride broke and failed. Next to Tidal Twister, we have a little touch pool here with sea urchins and starfish. So it's located right here. Yeah, so there's a touch pool all at the end over there and all the way right here. So yeah, you can come down here and touch some sea urchins if you want to. And here's a closely look at the newly painted stadium. Just match the colors with Tidal Twister, which is right there. Sadly it's closed, but I like the new paint on this stadium because the last time it was white. So take a look at the purple stadium that's been repainted in 2019. So yeah, then there's Manta over there. So there's quite some new stuff like over there, Tidal Twister. So yeah, there's some new things compared to 2016. Last time there was only like 2 roller coasters. Journey to Atlantis and Manta were the only operating coasters here. Now they added a lot, like quite a few, so which makes it a little bit different. So we'll go on probably on electric eel. We'll see what we could do. But know, this park looks like it's a little better now compared to before, now that there's like new rides here, and I haven't been here like for like a few years later, and so now I'm here 2023, and we will see what is new here. And so far we saw Tidal Twister is one of the new additions, so yeah, we'll see what else to hold. We are towards the back of the park, and we're gonna show you something that they could possibly add in this area. There's really nothing back here, and that to me is thinking of a brand new coaster that could possibly go to SeaWorld San Diego in the near future. People are saying a B&M flying coaster to be at this park. I mean, there's really nothing like it at this park, but you have Tatsu over at Six Flags Magic Mountain. So what will make this flying coaster more unique? Well, they can make it taller, faster, and maybe have more inversions on this flying coaster. Another type of coaster that they could get is maybe a B&M floorless coaster or a B&M hyper coaster. And so they really need something by B&M. They only got Emperor as their only B&M coaster at the park right now, but they should get something, at least maybe an RMC hybrid or some sort. So what kind of coaster will do best here? Maybe a flying coaster will do good here. Definitely those are fun coasters. There's flamingos here next to Manta, and they're absolutely nice and pink. They're just chilling in the water. This is the pond here. That's how big it is. Update, we're going to be eating in Calypso Smokehouse for lunch today. Yeah, so there are certainly some new stuff here since 2016, my last visit. So it's a little bit better now. It seems like SeaWorld San Diego turned out to be a little better. They did some improvements. It seems like they added more scenery around, like clownfish, dolphins, like for just a prop. So it's really nice that they did some improvements over the years. So I'm glad everything is different. So there's some more decorations and stuff. They did some cleaning, I think they also did some paving too, so the concrete looks probably a little different. So yeah, so this is what I'm having today for lunch here at Calypso barbecue place. We got chicken wings, we got fries, which I just ate the fries, but there's the chicken right here. So the next ride we're gonna ride is Electric Eel. This is a ride that's familiar. It's the premier ride Skyrocket 2 coasters. So we're gonna go ahead and go on this one. So yeah, this was new since 2018. So this ride was not even built when I visited last time, 2016. So this is something new and different. Alright, why is my hair messy? Because we just got off that thing behind me, Electric Eel. I'm gonna do 2 reviews on 2 coasters between this and Superman at Discovery Kingdom. And I'm not just, and then that will also include the rest of the Skyrocket 2 coasters, like Tigris, Tempesto, and what's the other one? Yeah, so all the Skyrocket 2s that you see, they're gonna be all included with both Electric Eel and Superman. I'll be showing a review. That opened since 2018, so that wasn't there during my visit last time. So this is just like a redemption visit. So yeah, we're kind of like checking what's new. So it looks like there's a lot of changes to the park since I visited SeaWorld San Diego since 2016. So we're on our way to ride the newest ride here, Arctic Rescue. It's their Intamin straddle coaster, just like the Dark Coaster at at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. So we're gonna ride this Intamin Straddle Coaster. Arctic Rescue is up next. So I just got off Arctic Rescue. Their newest coaster. It is an Intamin Straddle Coaster, just like Dark Coaster at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. It was actually a fun ride. I loved the 3 launches. It was absolutely fantastic. So go check it out here at SeaWorld. And to end the day, well, our last ride will obviously be Journey to Atlantis. It will be our last ride of the day. So here's Journey. We're gonna go on this in just a second here, but you can tell they repainted the ride. So they repainted the structure, the building, and it looks like they also repainted, give it a fresh coat of the track and supports of the water coaster. They repainted the buildings. Used to be just gold and white. The last time I came here, it was just white and gold, which is, old color scheme. And then this one, Emperor, will be skipping. Unfortunately, we'll be skipping this ride today. So this was not here during my last visit, but it is new for 2022. Alright guys, I just got off Journey to Atlantis. You can tell I'm drenched and wet. I was drenched, I was in the back row, and yeah, it was a fun ride. Unfortunately, I'm wet. I don't know if I can dry myself now, but yeah. Okay guys, that will be a wrap for SeaWorld San Diego. Good thing I remembered to film an outro, but I had an amazing day today. There are a lot of changes that made the day even better. So like, they got electric eel, they got some coasters that are new here. Definitely Paddle Twister was closed during my visit, but other than that, they're still pretty much fun. I checked out the new Arctic Rescue. That is a new addition here this year. Hopefully they will get a new coaster. I'm hearing a B&M Flying Coaster is what they should add next for many guests. So I think that's the next ride that they need to build, a B&M Flying Coaster. Definitely not the same name as the one at Orlando, because they already have a Manta ride here. So probably it's going to be some kind of acrobat theming, or something that flies in the sky, I believe. So that's what the coaster next they should be getting. But other than that, had a good time, and we are leaving now SeaWorld San Diego. Peace out.